My country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Ike don't come out, come give unsolicited advice to Pere over the matter wey happen between him and Messi Ike. And also, Phyna new man wey she post for her Instagram story don't cause kasala online. And lastly, Emmanuel from Emaro Ship don't come out, come announce a particular housemate where he dey miss. So after Messi Ike emotionally allegedly scam Pere from their relationship and how the thing everything spoil. Pere not talk anything, he just dey mind him business. Messi Eke on the other hand, she just dey move on with her life. And just the fans just dey fight since how many days now. So Ike na, as we all know, na the ex of Messi Eke, and when Ike dey inside the house, Ike make mention of say anybody wey be say dey ship, make dey take im own ship as example. Say the thing, if you come outside, go good to make you bring brand, make you build your own brand instead of shippers brand, because the thing go affect you later. Ike really threw a lot of light concerning the ship he experienced with Messi Eke indirectly for inside the house, but certain people not lis ten to wetin dey talk. So im come out after im don see the way Pere receive insult, everybody receive insult. Im come say make he throw im own 2 cents indirectly. So im come say it's better to be single than to be in an imbalanced relationship. Don't settle for less this year. Love yourself. Now read again slowly. That Messi and Pere relationship now really imbalanced, because Messi no look like person wey be say go ever suckle up to Pere for anything. So na real imbalanced relationship na two of them dey. Well, let's just be looking at the reunion that is coming this year, because I know say e go hot. If you dey watch this video and you never subscribe, please abeg subscribe, like this video, help me share am and comment under. Una thank you. So few hours ago, Emmanuel Imo, wey be say be ex-lover of BBNaija first runner up Liquor Rose, im don come out come tweet something about missing a woman. So people come dey say whether na Liquor Rose na im don dey miss. This one wey im don dey come out dey come complain about her. For those of una wey remember wetin happen between Liquor Rose and Emmanuel claim for reunion say im no toast Liquor Rose. As a matter of fact, say two of them no dey date. After Liquor Rose catch am with woman for inside the hotel room for South Africa wey be say dey go. And so the boy deny the girl for national television. The way be say the whole matter about the Rose come out say the 20 million wey be say they contribute for the shippers money, it was all fake. They collect the money knowing say the relationship don spoil. According to Liquor, she say na Emmanuel tell am say make they do one like that so that they go collect shippers money. So ever since after the reunion, two of them they not dey follow each other on IG, no dey follow each other on any social media handle. They just dey mind their business. Emmanuel on the other hand, as he come out from the show, he go face school, come graduate from a USA university. He don do a doctorate for that side. So he just did do influencing for different people ever since he graduate from that university. So Liquor Rose on the other hand, she no dey do that her dancing again with those her friends. Now she dey into influencing, building herself. The girl really move on from the heartbreak quick, and she no even feel bitter. She no even act bitter. She no come dey drop irrelevant quotes or dey shade the guy online. She just concentrate on building herself. That na a strong woman there. So Emmanuel come out come say still miss her though, come put emoji where dey sad. Na so Nigerians, Imaro shippers, we know say those ones, hey, if they dey talk of people, the number one ship so far wey be say they no dey ever gree na Imaro shippers. They come out, they come say hope dey oh. It's like this guy don dey miss our Liquor. They come start to dey tag am, come dey write. They come say please marry Liquor Rose. We the Imaros are still hoping it can happen. Another one say Another one come ask am, liquor, come close the eye. The next one come say, I think we miss liquor rose, get her back. Another one say 2 years on and we still have hope for Ima Rose. The last one say, if my boy is missing someone, so be it. Her misser, Mr. Missy is missing you. I believe say after liquor rose, Emmanuel don date other people, but I no know. The truth be say Emmanuel really make a big mistake from the way I take see am oo. Liquor rose na very sweet person. She no dey find trouble. If there's one the most decent, liquor rose na one of the most decent BBNaija girls wey don ever come out of Big Brother. She no dey flirt around, she no dey misbehave. You always see her minding her business online. Dat girl is just, when dey say na typical wife material. But men sometimes you no go fit really tell wetin dem want. Imagine person see dis kind clean girl finish, e talk say two of dem no dey date. Instead na olosho na im prefer to follow. In as much as I like liquor rose a lot and I want her to be happy, I no go advise say make she go back to person like Emmanuel. Emmanuel na red flag of a man. Right from time he has always been like that. A man fit deny you for national television like that. I just hope say if na liquor rose im dey refer to say dey miss, make she no even think am twice say she wan go back to Emmanuel, because dat Ima Rose ship make una forget about am honestly for life. So Phyna, she come out come flaunt a guy with dread wey be say come spark a lot of reactions online. Una remember talk say Phyna come out few days ago, she say she no go find trouble again, say she wan focus on her new movies, say she get new movies with like 6 of them. Na so she talk, 6 projects wey be say she dey work on, and she go dey very busy, so she no go get time to dey fight anybody or to respond to irrelevant tweet. So she come out come post dis picture. So people come dey look the picture say whether na yellow swag na she don go kolobi, whether na rastamona, or whether na another person, she don see another man. People just dey get mixed feeling ever since she post dis picture. But me, I come go for her Instagram story, come see say the person wey be say she post for there for Instagram story, the face of the person, if you check am, this na the guy. If you check this other picture, you go see the pink dread. You go see this na the person face, na the guy face na be that, which means na for her shoot wey she go shoot for movie. Na maybe na even one of the people wey be say dey do the costume wherever wey be say dey do, na be that. No be say na new boyfriend. But Nigerians, BBN fans, dem no dey use eye see their favourite man, or dem no dey use eye see another person favourite man. They go just focus on that person wey be say you do. Investigative journalist wey full online dey too much. And so they come start to drag her. This one come say you still won't get any attention. Another one say, why will you be dyeing your hair as man? Words of Phyna. Another one say, laugh out loud, not giving. Wow. This one don run go follow Rastaman. This one na Razmataz relationship. If he didn't dey, he didn't dey. Wahala no too much like this. Make una leave Phyna. Una know say that girl, she just dey do all these things that make people talk. Na una trouble she dey find. Since she don talk say once she post anything, everybody go hop on am, dive am, use am dey drag her. So she's always happy when they dey drag her. You no fit blame her. If Phyna no appear for news for one whole day, her body no dey rest. So this one na just a way to take appear again for news. So make una no take her seriously with that man wey she post. Una take care, una bye.